Welcome to another video. And are you looking into buying a car in Mombasa on hire purchase? If you don't have the full amount and you still want to drive your dream car, hire purchase option is a great option. In this video, I'll explain everything about hire purchase. That is how hire purchase works, deposit required, other costs, and still I will tell you smart practices to adhere to so that you don't encounter any problems in the course of hire purchase agreement. So number one, what is hire purchase? So hire purchase allows you to own a car while paying for installment. You pay an installment first, take your car and clear the balance in agreed payment period, mostly ranging from 12 months all the way to 36 months. This all depends with the dealer you engage. For some payment period can be less, and to some payment period can be as much as 36 months or 3 years. So for today, what is required when you are buying your next car on hire purchase? The first one is the deposit, mostly 50%, from 50% all the way to 80%, but 50% is the minimum deposit. Another thing is copy of national ID and copy of KRA PIN. Those are what is required. After you have all those, the dealer will process your agreement and can drive your car the same day. That's the good thing about hire purchase. You only require deposit, copy of ID, and copy of KRA PIN. Nothing else, no guarantor, and no bank statements. Let's talk about payment period and things to do with grace period. Payment period, as I said, differs from one dealer to another, but typically it's around 12 months all the way to 36 months. About the grace period, this is the period you take before you start paying for the installment. It is the period between you paying for the deposit and the period paying for the first installment. But it still differs. Some dealers will give you 1 month, other dealers will give 2 months, and other dealers would give you the grace period. So just inquire about it before you buy your next car, and something which will assist depending with your expectations. That's all about the grace period and the payment period. 12 months to 36 months grace period depends. What are other costs when you are buying your next car on hire purchase? Number one, it is the car tracker, which is around 20,000, and comprehensive insurance. So for the comprehensive insurances, it differs with car model, and if you are buying a car for commercial and or private use. For the comprehensive insurance, you find that they have different rates. So those are some of the things you have to research about the comprehensive car insurance and the car tracker. Those are the only requirements. Other costs which you will incur during the time you will be paying for your car. So about the advantages of hire purchase is that you drive your car immediately. After paying your deposit, the agreement comes in, and then you sign the agreement and you drive your car instantly. You can drive your car in the next 2 hours or 3 hours, so depending with the arrangement. Another thing is about the flexibility, that you are able to pay for a longer period, giving you that freedom. Disadvantages is that if you don't pay for the installment, there is risk for repossession, but that should not worry you, because I will tell you smart practices you can do to avoid all this about repossession. Number one, if you take your car on hire purchase, make sure you don't pay too little deposit, because it will mean that the monthly installment will be very high, and in some cases it can be a challenge. Number two, if things to do with installment is not an issue, then you can still pay a small deposit, and this is mostly for people who are in business. Another thing is to ensure that you communicate with the dealer for that period you are paying for the car. In case you have delays, let the dealer know. As we finalize this video, in case you are looking to buying your next car on hire purchase in Mombasa or another car, still we have options for used cars. You can call us on 0741837373. We are located in Mombasa and will help you in the entire car buying process. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, you like this video, and you can share this video to your friends so that they can have an understanding of how hire purchase works. So thank you for your time, and still we have other videos on the channel which will give you individual car reviews. Thank you for watching and good time.